Alright, so it's pouring rain. My dog, I don't know where she is. She won't come to me. Jonathan Singleton is right here in his Jeep, and we're both sitting in a pretty big mud hole. No, I don't know if you could see, but that was lightning. Look at Jonathan. And it just come a downpour. We were doing a little videoing in the mud, but play around in here a little bit, just because it's raining. I mean, you can't have fun. There's Jonathan. My dog is getting soaking wet. Now she's gonna, as you can already see, my seat is completely soaking wet because it just all of a sudden downpoured, windows down. And it's ridiculous right now. This is probably one of the hardest I've ever seen it rain. You can't see it. Jonathan ran over his Gatorade bottle. Dumbass. Until he's thinking.